Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing how to prepare the very special Efo-Riro. Efo-Riro is typically Yoruba special type of preparing vegetable. It is yummy, delicious and healthy food which goes along with any swallow of your choice. I learned the special recipe from my mom. We call her Iya Shibi. So let's get down to the business of the day. As you watch, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. For today's recipe, I will be using some salt and seasoning cube, cow skin, smoked panla fish, and locust beans. Then I have here the already blended mix of onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, and the chili pepper. The vegetable I'll be using is the green leaf vegetable. Then I'll be using the boiled beef and the stock extract from the boiled beef. So I'm going to start my cooking by adding some boiled water to my green leaf to make it more softer. And set aside to proceed to fry the locust beans with already heated palm oil. Then I am going to go ahead to add the pepper mix. Once the mix is fried for some while, I will go ahead to add some salt before adding the cow skin. I am adding the salt so that the salt can soak into the cow skin once it's added. So at this point, how we add the stock extract. In case your stock is already salty, you don't need to add some salt as I did earlier on, and stir the stock together with the mix properly. I am going to leave this to fry and go back to check on our vegetables. Then I am going to sieve it. This is already sieved already. So once I am done sieving it, I am going to proceed back to check on the stew. Then I'm going to add some seasoning cubes to it. Then also add some smoked fish together with some beef and stir together properly. At this point, you can check for taste. I will be adding some salt here because I feel it's not enough. And after adding some salt, I am going to leave the stew to fry for some minutes so it can marinate together. Now I will proceed to add the vegetable and stir properly till it's well mixed. And once I'm done stirring it, I am going to cover for about 1 minute, only just 1 minute. You won't want your vegetable to be overcooked. Here we are. Our soup is ready. Then we are done. You can go ahead to serve the soup with any swallow of your choice, and it can also go with rice. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me all through. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also let me know your thoughts about this special soup. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.